Yeah, what is that?
Starting from 5V and
This
GND,
the
power
one
up your
cable
board.
is the negative one. So in the pins it's been connected to the G, the ground, the GND, and then on the red board it's been connected to the negative side. Then the orange one is the positive one because it's connected to the positive side, and then the pin number is 12 because 12 doesn't have the squiggly line. And then this one. Then this one,
The black one.
yes, the black one. Put it on the negative side because
Yay!
yes, I think I put it on the negative side because my sister is on the positive side. I think. Then I put it on the same line as the negative.
Next,
I got it myself.
which
The
pins
negative
are you going to
side
use
of
for
the-
your LED? Which
Of
pins?
the LED. Then I connected it, then it worked.
Which pins? on the
So
board?
what makes it work?
We were helped by everyone. You didn't know.
But you mean
Why
Yeah,
did you
yeah,
connect
yeah.
it? Why did you connect
You don't
it?
see nothing.
Huh?
Why did you
I did the
connect it
first one
there?
and he undid.
Where?
Six
Why?
and
So that
Six and
the
seven. Take
electricity
the wire.
from the laptop can power.
connect it to 6.
Yeah, do it again.
There is no code over there.
Oh, that's the line.
Then put it
So
in the
what's
middle.
the purpose of the code?
Which line? Which line?
To like
Usually at the
Vita
start,
formula
so
of
that
how to go on the
Now I want to make